How to add CSS in HTML. There are three ways to include CSS in HTML documents: inline style, internal or embedded style, and external or link style. But how to add them? Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about something you have surely seen while browsing websites: CSS. Now, CSS is what makes your web page look beautiful. It handles colors, fonts, and layouts. First up, we have inline CSS. This is easiest and fastest way, but it's not used that often in big projects. You write CSS directly inside the HTML tag. Let's say you want to make a heading red. Here is how it looks. Here in H1 opening tag, we can directly use style attribute to add some style for H1 element. Easy, right? But there is a problem. Imagine you have 100 of headings. Changing the color of each one will become a headache. Inline CSS is like adding salt directly to each spoon of your food. It works, but it's a lot of effort. So, it's only good for small things or testing. Next, we have internal CSS or embedded CSS. This is slightly better because you put your CSS in one place, inside the head section of your HTML file. Let me show you. In between head tag, we can add style tag and add styles. Here, we are styling all the headings and paragraphs. This is great if your website has just one page. But what if you have many pages? Well, repeating this in every file isn't smart, right? That brings us to the final and most useful method. The best way to manage styles is external or linked CSS. This method is ideal when you have multiple pages. You write all your CSS in a separate file, usually named style.css, and then link it to your HTML file using the link tag. Here in between head tag, we can use link tag and add CSS file path in href attribute. And in the style.css file, you can write something like this. Now this file can be used across all your web pages. It's efficient and neat, especially when you are working on larger projects. So that's it. We have covered three simple ways to add CSS to your HTML: inline, internal or embedded, and external or linked. External or linked CSS is usually the best option for big websites, but all three methods have their own uses.